Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I'm going to be talking about my most used, I don't want to say favorite, most used items from Louis Vuitton. I did my least used video. You guys can check it out somewhere. I'll list the I or put it in the I or down below in the description box if you guys want to see my least used items. These 5 items are the ones that I use all the time. Like if you are going to see me in a Louis Vuitton or wearing or owning or having a Louis Vuitton item out in public, it's going to be one of these items. And so yeah, like I said in my other video, there are a lot of items that fall in the middle category of not necessarily my most, not necessarily my least. They're just sitting there somewhere in the middle, and I'm not necessarily talking about those items. So if you see or if you don't see something in this video or my previous upload, it's not that I don't like it or that it's not used. It's just not on the extremes of the spectrum. And so yeah, with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can let me know down below in the comment section what your most used Louis Vuitton item is. And so yeah, with all that being said, let's get right into the video. I'm trying to think of the how I should organize it, if I should do the most of the most or start from the least to the most. I think I'll start with like the least used of my most used items and then work my way up. So with that being said, the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is a miscellaneous item, and it is my Louis Vuitton perfume, y'all. As you can see, this is pretty low for me. For some people, y'all are probably thinking this should be, if it's your most used item from Louis Vuitton or it's making this list, it should be all the way down here. I have so many perfumes that anything that is maybe 1/10 lower used is a lot for me. And so for this to be right here is saying something. I also have, I think over the past year and a half, 2 years, I have collected from purchases that I've made at Louis Vuitton so many free samples of this perfume that I haven't had to spray it that much. Seriously, I think I've gotten like 30 plus little vials of this type of samples of this perfume, and I have used it instead of using this. I want to preserve this, and so I use the samples instead. So that's also a big reason as to why it's not lower. The next item is going to be, let's start with something that is a new purchase that you guys have seen. A lot of people said that I was going to get a lot of use out of this, and it is 100% true. I took this with me when I went back to Florida for a week. I made a quick stop. I went back to Florida for a week and I took this with me, and I wore it every single day. And I have been wearing it every single day, and I'm going to wear it today when I go out. And it is this Monogram strap. And a lot of people said I can wear it with other bags, which I need more Monogram bags to be able to wear this, you guys. I was thinking if I wanted to wear it with my Dauphine or I don't know what other bag I have, but I don't have that many Monogram bags. I have Dauphine, I have leather, but I don't have Monogram. And so with my favorite, which I have it right here, I keep it, coiled up, and I keep it in my favorite because that's how I wear it, or that's the bag that I wear it with. And this is just an amazing accessory, and I'm so happy that I purchased it. I don't even know where the leather strap is. I know that I put it in the box that this came in, and I put it somewhere in my closet. I just don't know where it's at, but this was worth every penny for me. I don't know. I was looking for this on the United States website and I couldn't find it when I was looking. Maybe they added it back, or maybe I just couldn't find it and that was my user error and not the website's error. But this is available in Europe at the store and online, I believe, and it's pretty easy to get a hold of. A lot of people like the thicker one, but I prefer this thin one. It has an adjustable setting if you like different lengths, and so I find it to be very versatile, and like I said, it gives me a reason, an excuse to buy another Monogram canvas bag. But this strap is amazing, and if you're thinking about this strap, I would 1000% recommend it. Everything in this list I would 1000% recommend if you're thinking about it. The next item is something that I have to tell you guys a story. I don't know if I told this story when I got this item, but it's embarrassing for me because it just shows how ridiculous I am. And it is the Louis Vuitton card holder with the burgundy trimming here. So I got this technically as a gift many years ago, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if I was upset that I got it as a gift. I didn't like the color, I didn't like the style, and I took it back. Instead of me just like sitting on the gift and like reflecting and thinking about the purchase and saying, okay, well, maybe I will use it, I was just so upset. I'm like, I'm not gonna use this crap. Like, what do I want with this little card holder? I'm never ever going to want it, need it, or use it in my daily life. So then I returned it, and I think like a week later, I was thinking about it, and I was like, you know what? That little card holder was actually pretty cool. And I went to go to the store to purchase it myself, again, with my own money, you guys, instead of the gift that someone gave me. I used my own money. I went to the store to purchase it, sold out, couldn't find it. So then I went on, I don't remember if it was eBay or on the website, some website that we have here that's like secondhand goods. And I was looking for this item, and it was sold out online. And so on the secondhand market, it was like $5 more because it was sold out online and you couldn't find it online. So I paid $5 more for this secondhand pre-loved. And I felt so dumb, you guys. Aside from me spending my own money on it, I also spent more money on it. So yeah, that was how I got this. It was, or it has been with me for a few years now, and it's been a trusted companion for me. I feel like this opened the door for luxury card holders for me, because now I have a few more, and I couldn't live without my card holders, you guys. They are just so cute. They're so easy. You know, if you just want to use them for, some people have rewards cards, some people use them just for credit cards. I use them for a mixture of everything. I have multiples, so I can just stick them in different bags. Especially when I travel, I like taking multiple card holders with me so I can, like, how do you say, separate my cards, because I'm always afraid, knowing me, that I will lose things, I will misplace things, or things will get stolen. And so if someone steals one card holder with only one credit card and one ID, I won't be as, how do you say, misfortunate than if they would take one card holder with every credit card, every debit card, and every ID that I own. And so I'm very lucky that I have like a German ID card, an American like ID card, like my American driver's license, that type of stuff. And so I can, how do you say, like, separate them. And so yeah, it looks still brand new, even though I've used this up, down, and all over for years, you guys. It still has not elasticity, but it's still very structured. It's not too stretched. You know, when you, I do have to say though, if you put too much in here, it will get that weird, like, opened look. The little crease and the little slit here in the middle will just pop open. And so you do need to be careful with stuffing it, but like I said, I have multiple card holders, so I never feel like it necessary to overstuff my card holders. Next item is going to be a bag. I feel the next three items, I think, are all bags, and it is going to be my favorite. This might have been higher on the list, but because it's so small, it's not. But y'all, this bag, along with this strap, has been a game changer for me, and just like what I like to wear, how I like to wear it. It was sitting in my closet with the leather strap, and now it can't even stay in my closet with the Monogram strap. I just love the favorite. I don't like the new favorite that Louis Vuitton has introduced. I wish that they would just make a revamped edition of this, but they haven't yet. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's awesome. I love this bag. I know that it's discontinued. It may look aged to some people. It's not the most expensive bag, but I don't care. I love this. It's easy, versatile. I can wear it as a casual crossbody. I can wear it as an evening bag. It's gotten extremely dirty, though, I do have to say, over the course of me wearing it. I don't know if you guys can see inside. There's like a stain in here or something. So I'm probably never going to sell this bag. I'll keep it forever until like the straps fall off, but I like it. I love it. And I want some more of it. So moving on to the next bag, y'all. I feel like the next two are pretty obvious if you know me, if you watch this channel and you've watched any videos that I've had in the past. The next one is also going to be a recent purchase. Oh, y'all, I have a bunch of perfume samples in here and medicine. Look. Like I said, you guys, I keep perfume samples everywhere. And look at the Louis Vuitton Sur Baton sample is here. It's on deck, y'all. I kid you not. And also a fluffy sock, because who knows, your feet might get cold, your girl's feet might be cold, and a receipt for the cable car that I went on. But it is my Speedy 25B, you guys. And this bag has honestly been a shock for me. I said this in my review about this bag, that it is amazing, it is wonderful, and I love it, and I cannot give it enough praises. I don't think I gave it enough praises in my review video, you guys. This bag is awesome. If you're thinking about getting this bag, run, don't walk, because it's not going to get any cheaper at Louis Vuitton. And knowing Louis Vuitton and the games that they're playing with canvas, y'all, they might take this off the website. Those are the rumors. They might try to make it harder for you to get canvas pieces. So if you can get your hands on this bag from the boutique, I would highly recommend it. I looked on the US website last night for this bag and it was not available. It had the notify me button that you could click and enter your email, and it would send you an email once the bag became available. But in store, they do have them, and I see people unboxing them on YouTube. So I know that they're available, especially someone that's done an unboxing 24 hours ago. I know that these bags are available. It's just maybe you have to snoop around, search around, and even on the pre-loved market, I see some pretty decent deals on this bag. They're not being exploited too much. So the last and final bag, which if you are on this channel and you can already guess what bag it's going to be, you guys, then you don't know me and you need to watch more of my videos. But it is going to be my Louis Vuitton mini Dauphine. Because it's my favorite and because it's one of the top used, I'm just going to put it at the top of this list. And because it has a sentimental place in my heart, this was and is one of my favorite bags, you guys. This was a very expensive purchase for me at the time when I got it, and it just, I don't know if it symbolized anything for me, but it just meant a lot for me to be able to purchase this, because I lusted after this bag for years and I could never afford it. I could never buy it. And then I was able to, and I just felt so proud of myself. And so I really like this bag. I haven't worn it for I think 5+ weeks because I wasn't home and I didn't want to bring it with me to Florida, only because I don't like traveling too much, like back and forth with my bags. And in Florida I was doing a lot of traveling, and I was also doing a lot of like non-nice stuff, if that makes sense. I like wearing this bag when I'm going out into the city, you know, strolling along, window shopping, going to a nice brunch, going to get something to eat. And my trip in Florida was consisting of me sitting in the car, eating Chick-fil-A, and I don't know, walking around, not doing anything cute, in my leggings, scrambling to get from one appointment to the next. And so this bag had no business in Florida. It's been sitting here for 5 weeks, and I was gonna wear it today, but the weather is a little gray outside and I don't want it to rain, even though it has been in the rain and it's been okay. I don't want to put it in any unnecessary like hardship. I don't want this bag to be put through any trauma unless absolutely necessary. Maybe I take this to Dubai with me. I'm thinking, should I take this to Dubai with me? I think it might make a wonderful Dubai bag, because I'm leaving tomorrow for Dubai, you guys. So I might bring it with me. I know this is an acquired taste for many people, especially the look. A lot of people call it the grandma bag, but I call it like the princess queen bag of canvas from Louis Vuitton. It's one of like their nicest canvas bags, in my opinion, that they offer. And so, yeah, that was, or that is, or those are all of my favorite purchases or most used items from Louis Vuitton. Like I said, I will link my least used items somewhere up above in the eye and down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out, them out, or that video out. You are more than welcome to. You're also more than welcome to leave your most used items from any designer brand, also Louis Vuitton or any other designer brand, luxury brand out there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.